डाउन हो गया मार्केट. आणि पीछे थोड़ा सा पीछे थोड़ा लेफ्ट में सेल्फी वाली सर थोड़ा आप थोड़ा साइड हो जाइए सर. सामने जी इधर जी मैम सेंटर एकदम सामने पीछे था मैम जो समोर इकडे मैम समोर जी मैम आपके राइट में जी राइट के साइड जी काम करता हूं बताओ प्रणाम
Please, 1 minute.
जोई जी वेलकम.
अरे डिस्प्ले तेरा पीछे ले ले.
ये पार्टी यस 2 मिनट्स.
अरे भाई क्या कर रहे हैं?
ऐसा
हाँ है
एकदम सामने
ये मैडम पीछे आगे जा रहे हैं. मैडम अभी उनको बताओ.
हाँ जी पूनम जी एकदम सामने. हाँ सब लास्ट यहाँ पे.
In the city of Delhi, where like any other big city, we have a large number of homeless people. The girl, the little child of a person who used to pick up unwilling abandoned dead bodies for the local police. And when this guy called Habib said that in winters my work goes up, and many times I have so much of work that I cannot handle it. And his little daughter told me, which still shakes me, in Hindi.
कौन मार रही है नारे
आगे
क्या करेगा यार
ए आता साइडला वा मारले तर तिकडे आता साइडला
आगे नहीं आना है.
बिचार आहे ना घुमल्या चालली आहे. अनिल चलो पीछे यार. अरे
थोड़ा पीछे से क्लियर
ये दादा है
हेलो मैम लेफ्ट साइड मैम
ये दादा है हटो वहां से.
मैम सामने एकदम
थोड़ा
कतरीना
कतरीना
मैम लेफ्ट साइड यार. कतरीना मैम थोड़ा
रमेश जी साहब
एक मिनट
मैम सामने एकदम सामने मैम चंद्र
Right, Francis, please wait behind. No, no, no.
A global award for pathbreaking the well-right work, the structure and function of ribosomes to Sir Dr. Ramakrishna. May I request Mr. Nitin Gadkari to present this award, and may I request Dr. Aryan Bashir to receive this award from Dr. Ramakrishna.
ओ भाई साहब
स्टील
अरे कुर्सी दिया हो ना तुम लोग बैठो
स्टील बस आया
ठीक है
अरे स्टील बसा खाली
अरे बैठ जाओ तुम लोग
Dr. Ramakrishnan, your award is in safe hands. We have a full house here today and the audience is
ओ दादा बस है ना खाली अरे आप लोग भी तो हमारे प्रेम में आ रहे हो लाइट ना रे
I'm not getting any feedback. If someone can answer on my microphone whether I can be heard. I'm afraid the audio link has been seems to have broken at my end, so I don't hear a thing from your side.
we can hear you
I can see your lips move, but I can't hear anything. You can hear, if you can hear me, just raise your hand. Okay, great. So, first of all, I want to say thank you very much for this award. It's a great honor. And I'm very sorry I cannot be here with you. I'd like to say a few remarks about the Academy of Education.
I'm on live, sir. Please try to understand. I'm on
What
live.
you're
Please, sir,
rewarding, as well as what the future
next
is.
door, sir, please.
So, the first thing is I'd say education and innovation are really the only way out of prosperity in the 21st century. Manufacturing is a route to it.
अरे कैमरा खाली कर ये तंबी कैमरा नीचे कर
Is going to require innovation because it's going to become increasingly automated. You will not be able to compete on labor costs alone in the future. They're all being educated in a language in which they're comfortable speaking. The other thing that's required is higher education. We do not have, in India, there are insufficient institutions of higher education and research. The government is trying to create new institutions, but this will take time because you will need to find the right people to staff it. So that's another problem. Infrastructure requires both transport and utilities. We've heard a bit about the railways, but India has a long way to go before it catches up with countries like China, Korea, Taiwan. In fact, most of Eastern Asia is well ahead of the game. And so that's something that India needs to put a lot of effort into. The third thing is to give young people independence at an early stage in their career. Young people are the most innovative. By the time people are my age, they're set in their ways. They're not thinking really new kinds of things. It's only when you're very young that you have that boldness. And so it's very important to give young people independence very early on. And a final message is that India is a very diverse country and it needs harmony. If people
resort to sectarian violence. This is a distraction from the task of building India to compete and move forward in the 21st century. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Ramakrishnan. India is extremely proud of you. Your organization, ISRO, has given India many reasons to celebrate. Application-oriented satellites designed, developed, launched, and TV broadcasting, weather observation, natural resources survey, and monitoring and navigation, paving the way for India's development. In 2008, ISRO's lunar probe, Chandrayaan-1, discovered the presence. In 2014, ISRO created history when its Mangalyaan probe entered it. A Padma Shri recipient, he is the man at ISRO's helm and has played a crucial role in several of its successful space missions. I'd like to request Mr. Nitin Gadkari to present the Priyadarshini Academy Global Award for Outstanding Contribution. Dr. Kiran Kumar, may I request you to address the audience, please?
Good afternoon to all of you.
Introduction. A vivacious on-screen persona and comic timing comes second only to her irresistible million-dollar smile. As a humanitarian, Juhi has been associated with a number of charities and social causes. She is very committed to spreading awareness about thalassemia and to providing education for special children. She is actively working on improving the current educational system by reducing the heavy workload on children. For several years now, Juhi has been on a mission to educate people about the health hazards of mobile phone and tower antenna radiation. She has been visiting schools, speaking at seminars, working with citizens groups, and calling on ministers and authorities to drive her point home. Last year, she received the Indira Gandhi Memorial Award for Social Awareness for her active participation and selfless effort towards this cause. Yes, you may blame her for some of the call drops, as Mr. Hiranandani said, but in recognition of her outstanding contribution to social causes, I'd like to request Mr. Suresh Prabhu to present the Priyadarshini Academy Global Award to Miss Juhi Chawla.
बैठ के स्टील Still.
Juhi, the audience would love to hear from you. May I request you to say a few words?
A very good evening, Chief Guest Sir, Nitin Gadkari ji, Guest of Honor, Suresh Prabhu ji, the very dynamic, utterly charming Hiranandani ji, Ruhani, eminent guests on the dais, and a wonderful audience here, amongst whom I see many familiar faces, including some members of my family. I am so privileged and so honored to be here with you this afternoon. It is absolutely beautiful. How I've come to be here. I'd like to tell you, just earlier this year, I had worked on a film called Chalk and Duster. Incidentally, it's a lovely film. If you haven't watched it, I recommend it. Aap zarur dekhiye. It will go straight to your heart. It's so beautiful. Shabana ji and myself worked in the film, and she introduced me to Rupani ji. We were working on the promotions of the film. I was meeting Rupani ji for the first time. He saw our film. He liked it so much. For days on end, he went out of his way to connect me to the best people who might be able to take the film forward. I have rarely met people who can be so kind and so giving. And on days when things were not quite going the way we wanted them to, he would see me a little dejected and he'd say, no, it's not for you to give up. Try until you succeed. Success is your birthright. And that incidentally is also the title of his book, Success is Our Birthright. So thanks Mr. Rupani ji, because I know he's behind this award that I have just received today. Thank you so much. Like I said, in my life, in the past couple of years, I have stood up for causes, big and small. But I know the one that I've become famous, or rather infamous for, has been radiation. 5 years ago when I began, it was really just trying to help myself. And I came across people who started helping me. 5 years ago, I did not know. I myself did not know about radiation. I learned about it. I had no idea I would get sucked into it. And today, I would be recognized for it. I would be awarded for it. Thank you so much for this. It's a very complex, a very technical subject. And I have often asked myself, me, I'm an actress like this and known for comic timing, dancing and singing around trees, that's what I've done. What am I doing with this issue? Like I said, I didn't choose radiation. Radiation chose me. Perhaps it needed a simple person to be able to explain this very complex, abstract kind of topic to the common people in a simple way. For this, for all that I have done these years, or managed to do, I would say, I want to thank my team, without whose support and whose unstinted help, I could not have made it this far. It is Tejal, Nirima, and my very helpful neighbor, Mr. Prakash Munshi. He's here with me today. I grabbed him for this. I said, I could not have achieved this had it not been for his unstinted support. A few weeks ago, I was at our Gurukul in Porbandar, and I heard this on stage. I found it so amazing. I wanted to share it with you. सोच बदलो, सितारे बदल जाएंगे. सोच बदलो, सितारे बदल जाएंगे. नजर बदलो, नजारे बदल जाएंगे. कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है दोस्तों. कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है दोस्तों. दिशा बदलो, किनारे बदल जाएंगे. 20 years ago, I was only an actress. I would brush my teeth, get into the car, and go for shooting, wherever it was. My world was just me. I had no cares in the world. It was like the earth is revolving around the sun, but the sun is only shining for me. From there, I have come a long way. Maybe it's been life's experiences, becoming a mother, having children, and today my mind has changed so much. It works overtime on one thing. How do I make this world a better place for my children? How do I make this world a better place for everybody's children? That's where I am at in life, and thank you so much for this award. To conclude, I'd like to leave you with this absolutely beautiful thing I read, and I'd like to live my life with this. These are words of Mother Teresa. She said, "If you are kind, people may take advantage of you. Be kind anyway. If you are successful, you will have some unfaithful friends and many genuine enemies. Be successful anyway. If you are honest and sincere, people may deceive you. Be honest anyway. What you spend years creating, others may destroy. Create anyway. If you are happy, people may get jealous. Be happy anyway. The good you do today will often be forgotten, but do good anyway. The best you have will never be enough, but do your best anyway. Because you see, in the end, it was always between you and God. It was never between you and them anyway."
Lovely Julie, thank you so much for sharing those wonderful words of inspiration. Thank you for being with us. We have one more award to go. I know all of you have been waiting for this award. But इंतजार का फल मीठा होता है, and since Katrina came a little bit late, so we're going to make her wait a little bit longer. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to first introduce a gentleman, a very nice person, dressed in all white today. Armed with education, ability, understanding and integrity, Mr. Suresh Prabhu has held numerous positions in the Government of India with delivered milestones. He is affiliated with a large number of national and global organizations and has also served as a senior advisor to the United Nations. In his current role as Union Railways Minister, he has brought in a variety of passenger-friendly reforms in the railways. Tweet a problem or complaint and you get a prompt reply from the Indian Railways. Bullet trains to reduce travel times, increase number of coaches to accommodate more people, Wi-Fi connectivity at more than 400 stations in the next 2 years, food of your choice, travel insurance cover at less than 1 rupee, and executive lounges at several stations. These are just few of the many changes that he is currently working on. Please welcome Mr. Suresh Prabhu with a huge round of applause.
Join all my fellow countrymen in condemning this very sad happening. The anger, the anguish that all of us are having is absolutely something I'm sure will be taken to the logical conclusion. Let me also join all my other countrymen who are equally feeling sad about what has happened. We already, at the beginning of the program, offered our condolences. Here this academy has been doing a great job for so many years. Today we are given awards to people who excel in science, technology, agriculture. different kinds of art, and many others. Mr. Nani Gopali, and now some years, and Mr. Niranjan, and a great scientist, Dr. Maseta and his team, have been doing this great job. Being a part of this process myself for a long time, can I make a suggestion that we should also think about an award for someone who fights terrorism? It should be the most appropriate way. Someone who is very God, will be our next word. That everybody can live in peace. I think when the first peace award was announced by Nobel Prize Committee, they would have probably even comprehended or could have imagined that what the peace would really mean and how people would destroy peace. So I think we really need to issue such an award to the National Foundation. Let me once again congratulate all the winners on the great advantage of being in the seat of power is that you can also give award to someone for whom you have been worshipping and as a fan. So I think it is also a great opportunity to give an award to such a person. So Nani Gopali has been complimented because they have been thinking of these global awards much before India opened up the economy in 1991. So it has been even I would say the real harbinger of globalization. So congratulations to you.
Captain producer, woman of six, Mr. Ramesh Taurani is here with us. We'd like to acknowledge his presence and welcome him with a bouquet. Mr. Ramesh Taurani. Thank you so much for being with us this afternoon. For a girl who trained from London to Mumbai, not knowing the local language or a single soul in the city, it is extremely commendable that Katrina Kaif is one of the top stars in Bollywood today. Be it romance, action, comedy or drama, she has delivered many super hits over the last decade, including Welcome, Partner, Race, Singh is King, Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani, Rajneeti, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Ek Tha Tiger, Jab Tak Hai Jaan, and Dhoom 3, to name just a few. Her dedication to her work and her charismatic screen presence have earned her the admiration of millions of film goers around the world. She dances like a dream and has some sizzling chartbuster numbers like Sheila Ki Jawani, Chikni Chameli, and Kala Chashma to her credit. Forbes has listed her in their top 10 list of India's best-known entertainers. And last year, her wax statue was installed at Madame Tussauds in London. In recognition for being one of the most successful and popular Bollywood actors, and for a string of successes which rank among the highest grossers at the box office, may I request Mr. Nitin Gadkari to present the Smita Patil Memorial Award.
दादा नीचे दादा कटरीना कटरीना कटरीना
Katrina, I just read
क्वीन ब्लूमबर्ग में जाने वाले
everybody. Firstly, I'd like to thank all our extremely distinguished guests for having the privilege of sitting alongside this afternoon. Thank you very much for the honor of inviting me here. I'm very happy to be here. There's just a few things that I would like to say. Firstly, I believe the world of cinema, not only Indian cinema, is often called a man's world. It is changing, but the change is slow. So I believe it's a matter of great pride that we have an award that acknowledges and recognizes the contribution of women to cinema. This award honors the memory of one of the greatest and the most accomplished actors, whose role served as an inspiration in the lives of millions of women. As an actor, the love of the people is the biggest reward of all. But when there is recognition from the industry in the form of an award, for me it's very overwhelming. I believe the most important thing in art is truth, and I can promise that my attempt is truthful and sincere to the craft, which has largely given me my purpose in life over the last few years. The one thing I do hope is that I can continue to make the audience who has given me so much love and support over these last few years, I hope that I can continue to make them proud of me and to deserve their support and their love as they have always given me. I'd like to thank the jury for this recognition, and I'd like to accept this award on behalf of every woman who seeks to excel in her field of work. I read something very interesting that I thought was very beautiful. It is said that women hold up half the sky, and I think it is women like Smita ji who show us that not even the sky is the limit. So I'd like to thank you all very much for this award, and it's a pleasure being here this afternoon.
Thank you so much, Katrina. We wish you all the very best for your upcoming films, and may you continue to entertain people around the world with all your wonderful performances. I mentioned earlier we have a very special invitee with us today. As winner of Campus Princess 2015 pageant, Ms. Afrin Rachel Vaz got a direct entry into Femina Miss India 2015. She was crowned Femina Miss India Supranational in 2015 and went on to win the international title of Miss Supranational Asia and Oceania. She is a medical student currently in her final year and is actively working on promoting early detection of breast cancer in rural India. It is our pleasure to have her here with us this afternoon, and I'd like to request Ms. Vaz to say a few words.
Good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, and the guys. I feel really overwhelmed standing here and talking to you after such wonderful people have just spoken such wonderful things. I want to share a story with you, which I think many people are aware of, but I found interesting. In 1984, a very accomplished and talented Kathak dancer, Miss Anila Sundar, I think her name was, really wanted to showcase her talent to the world. Unfortunately, she wasn't from the most fortunate backgrounds and did not know how to go about showing this talent to the world. And at that time, she came across a group of people, like-minded individuals, who approached Mr. Rupani. And what followed was a series of discussions and meetings which resulted in the Priyadarshini Academy. I think I represent the population that benefit from this academy. I did win a national title and I went on to win the international title. However, I believe that first and foremost I'm a student of medicine and surgery, a student of classical dance, and a student of Hindustani theatre. So when I stand here, I'm trembling because I'm a student of those things that these wonderful gentlemen and women have become a master of. Priyadarshini Academy allows people like me, my brothers and sisters of various fraternities, to become successful. And the quote that was said earlier today, just a little bit earlier than me, that success is our birthright, not just a monopoly of few, is the very quote that Priyadarshini Academy stands for. And it's an academy which is holistic in the way that its scholarships benefit us as academics, but also recognize artists and recognize people that are trying to make a difference and contribute in a way that is immense and permanent. And for the honor that Priyadarshini Academy has invited me to be here and to be part of such a wonderful dais, all I want to say is, if I could have a time machine and I went back to Poland where I was representing India and the international jury asked me, Miss India, you say that India is a great nation. What makes it so great? Oh, I had a wonderfully rehearsed answer thanks to Mr. Veera Merchant, who was a brilliant teacher. But if that was to happen again, I would say, look to my left. These are my countrymen. Get to know them and you will get to know my country. Thank you.
We were just trying to connect with Mr. Piyush Goyal. We're going to keep trying. It's a technical issue that...
all respected guys, सबसे पहले मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि करीब 12 साल पहले जब मैं महाराष्ट्र सरकार में मंत्री था तो मुझे एक अच्छा अवसर मिला और मुंबई पुणे एक्सप्रेस हाईवे 35 फ्लाईओवर्स वर्ली वाराणसी प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करने का सौभाग्य उस समय मिला। मैं तो उस कामों को भूल गया क्योंकि सरकार बदल गई, पर उसके बाद में प्रियदर्शनी एकेडमी ने मुझे किसी कार्यक्रम में बुलाकर मुझे पुरस्कार दिया। ये बात मैं कभी भूल नहीं सकता। आजकल तो मैं मुंबई में नहीं रहता, दिल्ली में रहता हूँ और एक्सप्रेस हाईवे से भी और बड़े-बड़े एक्सप्रेस हाईवे अब बनाने का सौभाग्य मुझे मिला। मैं दिल्ली से जयपुर और दिल्ली से कटरा श्रीनगर तक भी एक्सप्रेस हाईवे का काम अब कर रहा हूँ और उसमें से अब बड़ौदा से मुंबई एक्सप्रेस हाईवे का काम इसी साल हम शुरू कर रहे हैं और एक्सप्रेस हाईवे के नेटवर्क में मुंबई पुणे के एक्सपीरियंस ने मुझे बहुत सिखाया। मैं नानी गुरुमाला जी को इस बात के लिए धन्यवाद दूंगा कि हमारे देश में अनेक लोग अच्छा काम करते हैं, सरकार में काम करते हैं, सरकार के बाहर भी करते हैं, कोई साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी में करते हैं, कोई फील्ड में अच्छा काम करते हैं, पर इन सब लोगों को रिकॉग्नाइज करना, इनको रिस्पेक्ट करना ये बहुत आवश्यक है। सरकार में एक बात होती है, कोई किसी भी पार्टी की सरकार हो, अच्छे काम करने वालों को सम्मान नहीं मिलता और बुरे काम करने वालों को कभी सजा नहीं मिलती। सरकार की यह विशेषता नहीं है, पर नानी गुरुमानी जी और प्रियदर्शनी एकेडमी ने वर्ल्ड के अनेक बड़े-बड़े लोगों को, मुझे याद है इंडोनेशिया की पूर्व राष्ट्रपति, उनको भी पुरस्कार दिया, जापान के प्रधानमंत्री उनको भी दिया और वर्ल्ड में जिन्होंने अच्छा काम किया है ऐसे सभी लोगों को प्रियदर्शनी एकेडमी ने रिकॉग्नाइज किया, उनका रिस्पेक्ट किया और केवल टैलेंट जो है उनको रिस्पेक्ट करना, अवार्ड देना इतना ही नहीं, तो एजुकेशन के क्षेत्र में अनेक लोगों को उन्होंने स्कॉलरशिप दी और लगातार ये जो पॉजिटिव सोशल वर्क है ये प्रियदर्शनी एकेडमी की ओर से सतत हो रहा है। अब ये इतिहास बहुत दिनों का है। मुझे याद है कि हमारे बम्बारी पर एक सह्याद्री करके एक गेस्ट हाउस महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने बनाया है। मैं कभी कभी कहता हूँ कि ताजमहल से भी अच्छा है, क्योंकि आप अंदर से जाओगे तो बहुत सुंदर है। तो इसको भी बनाने का सौभाग्य मुझे मिला। तो उस समय एक बार जब वर्ल्ड में सभी लोग यहाँ आए थे तो मुझे नानी भाई ने कहा कि सबको भोजन के लिए सह्याद्री पर बुलाना। तो मैंने उनको कहा आप चिंता मत करिए। तो उस समय जो मंत्री थे उन्होंने कहा कि सरकार में ये परमिशन नहीं है। तो नानी भाई को कहा कि सरकार में मंत्री चला दे, सेक्रेटरी नहीं चला, आप मेरे पास आओ, मैं आपको 5 मिनट में परमिशन दूंगा। और मैंने तुरंत उनको परमिशन दी नहीं। और उस समय वर्ल्ड के अनेक देशों के अच्छे लोग आए थे, उनका सत्कार महाराष्ट्र सरकार के
कम ऐसा बूम भी जाएगा चीफ गेस्ट। अरे यार यू गेट अ कैमरा, व्हाट डू यू वांट? जस्ट स्माइल। आई डोंट नो,
आप लोगों ने डराया वरना वो आ जाता। वो आप लोगों को देख के वो पिछली गली से चले गए।
चलो अभी आपको पूनम से और जूही से और निरंजन से क्या पूछना होगा?
सबका गोल है, सबका गोल।
For the award, great speech on the dais. How privileged does it feel when someone recognizes your hard work, your sincerity, your talent to take us straight?
It's a big shift for me. For all my life, for all of my grown-up years, I just was acting. Today I'm being recognized for something totally different. I find it very humbling. और मुझे ये दिल से पता है कि ये मैं अकेले नहीं कर रही हूँ। मेरे साथ कुछ लोग हैं जो जुड़ के इस काम को आगे लेकर जा रहे हैं। तो चलिए कोई नेक काम में मैंने अपना वक्त बिताया है। तो when I sleep at night, I feel good about myself. That's what I'd like to say. I'm very privileged and honored कि इसको recognize किया जा रहा है, because when I started working for this, honestly, I had no idea where I was going. I was just doing what was coming my way. And it has brought me here today with such big people. I mean, who are awardees की list और उनकी accomplishments देखकर मुझे लगा मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रही। उनके साथ मुझे बैठने का मौका मिला। इतने बड़े बड़े लोगों के सामने आपने मुझे अवार्ड दे दिया, इसका मैं सिर्फ दिल से और भगवान से धन्यवाद कर सकती हूँ।
You quoted Mother Teresa in your speech. How has she influenced your life?
I think मैं सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं, I think she's an inspiration. Inspiration what? She's a saint. They've recognized her as a saint today. But I've always known her as a kind person who has brought so much joy to poor little children. I didn't know she had written this. जब मैंने उनकी ये बातें सुनी या पढ़ी, sorry. I mean, I find it a beautiful. It touches everybody. What I said today touched me. And जो मेरे दिल को लगती है, I know will touch everybody. So I was just quoting her. I'm glad you appreciated it.
Hirananda ji, आपने awards कैसे decide किया? Giving Katrina the Smita Patil Memorial Award and giving Juhi ji the Priyadarshini Global Academy Award, तो ये कैसे decide किया?
मेनली आप देखेंगे, जैसे आप जूही जी ने अभी कहा कि हर एक जो अवार्डी है उनका कोई सिग्निफिकेंस रहा है। एक तरफ आप देखें कि इसरो के साइंटिस्ट को हमने दिया, एनजीओ को दिया, जो लोग देश में विदेश में परिवर्तन करते हैं, जो एक कमाते हैं खुद के लिए नहीं लेकिन दूसरों के लिए, जो देना चाहते हैं, उनको हम 35 साल से ये अवार्ड दे रहे हैं। तो मेरे अंदाज से जैसे नितिन गडकरी साहब ने ये कहा, जब लोग उनको भूल गए थे, जब उन्होंने रोड का काम किया था लेकिन वो मंत्री नहीं थे, तब प्रियदर्शनी ने उनको रिकॉग्नाइज किया। उसी तरह से हम समझते हैं कि हम जो रिकॉग्निशन दे रहे हैं, जो लोगों का हकीकत है, जूही जी हो और जो कतरीना जी हैं और जो ये अवार्ड विनर्स हैं, वो माशेलकर साहब चेयरमैन जो हमारी कमेटी के हैं, ये सब को हम सुझाव देते हैं, हम लोग पुटअप करते हैं और उनको चूज़ करने में ये कमेटी चूज़ करती है। तो ये निश्चिंत से हम ये सोच सकते हैं कि जो इसको हम अवार्ड दिया है, दे आर अर्निंग द अवार्ड, दे डिज़र्व द अवार्ड, दे आर द राइट पीपल फॉर द अवार्ड। इसलिए आप देखेंगे अलग अलग लोग विदेशी आते, जैसे हमारे पास ये इज़राइल से आए, उन्होंने 3 देशों से रिश्ता बनाया, 3 देशों से, इज़राइल, जेरूसलम और जॉर्डन, जो देश विदेश से झगड़ते हैं, लेकिन पानी के लिए उन्होंने ये जो तीनों देशों को जोड़ लिया। तो मेरे अंदाज से ये बहुत बड़ी बात है और हर एक डिज़र्विंग कैंडिडेट रहा है और हमें खुशी होती है कि वो यहाँ तक आते हैं प्रियदर्शनी अवार्ड लेने के लिए।
I'll answer that question. We have got a jury, and they go by. See, there is a lot of jealousy or whatever you say. We strictly go by the jury, and they have said that please don't mention our name. We have been, if you see last so many years, 32 years, all awards have been really like there's no controversy. There's no anybody can really. I must have, as a chairman when I started, I got a pressure from so many different areas. Even some a threat that you will be raided if you don't give. But we have never succumbed to any pressure. And Poonam ji also has been with us from so many years. So there are all different juries, and we don't want to give how it is done and all. We strictly go by.
No controversy. I want to know from Julie, do you think that Katrina Kaif is a deserving candidate for this award?
Her contribution to the film industry is there. I don't want to go for any controversy, anything. If it has been decided, we respect it and we honor. In last 32 years, we have never questioned any jury, how it is done, what it is done. They are above board and they are doing a human service. And see, if you see the Prime Minister of Japan, he received our award. President of Indonesia, she received our award. Deputy Prime Minister of England, she received. So there are so many, awardees.
So, I agree. For the last 32 years, there has been no controversy, but this time.
I think you have created the controversy.
A lot of people. Julie, आप बताइए.
I don't know.
No, I think our memory is very short. Just a few years ago, I remember Katrina Kaif had in a row, she had about 10 super duper hit films to her credit. I think she deserves an award. She's very committed. She's a very committed actress. She is a very committed actress. She's beautiful and she's committed. And if she gets an award,
Poonam Jagan to give you. She can throw more light because she.
आपने काम किया स्मिता जी के साथ, तो आप कुछ बताइए. How do you see Katrina in that mold?
I don't understand. This is in her memory because Smita was one of the most accomplished, respected actors. And this is a cinema award. It is not for art cinema alone. This is for cinema as a broad spectrum. And I think Katrina's presence today and her journey in the last 5-7 years cannot be undermined. She has come not from a filmy background. She's totally a stranger in the country, and she has made her position totally on her own hard work. So I think we cannot take away that.
Make them quiet there. So you got the answer. See, everybody has to be respected. And these are all, if you see, Martin Luther King, he specially came to receive award. Many of the awardees, they bring their special plane and they take award and go. Can you tell me one award in the country which attracts so many dignitaries? So a lot of hard work. You have been, and I'm sure Niranjan Hiranandani has taken over. He will do wonders. and organize one function, it takes us 2 years. Every minute details has to be really taken care of. Thank you.
Thank you everybody.
सिर्फ मैं गवर्नमेंट से नहीं, हम सब से चाहूँगी कि जो हमारे देश की रक्षा करते हैं वो जागते हैं, इसलिए हम सुकून की नींद सो सकते हैं। उनके लिए हम मतलब एटलीस्ट उन्हें याद रखें, उन्हें सम्मान दें। छोटे से बड़े पद तक जो भी हैं हमारे बॉर्डर्स पर बहुत कठिनाइयों से गुजर के वो हमारी रक्षा करते हैं, उन्हें हम सम्मान और आदर दें दिल से। जब भी मिलें तो प्यार से मिलें।
Thank you.
Thank you.